This is the wildest police chase you'll ever see. A motorcyclist is desperately trying to evade the cops and attempting everything he can to shake them off. Watch till the end to find out what happens to the crazy rider and his female passenger. It's not clear why the speed junkie decided to run from the cops, but he manages to take them on some twists and turns along the way, and shows that he has some impressive skills when it comes to riding. The video was uploaded to TikTok with viewers weighing in on the dramatic chase. "You put the girl's life in danger," said one commenter, while another said, "OMG, both of these guys should be stuntmen in movies." It's not clear exactly where the high-speed chase took place, but a few comments written in Portuguese indicate that it was probably in Brazil.
Mais dia normal no Brasil. Aqui no Brasil é só loucura. Indicating that this kind of craziness is normal in Brazil.
No matter how well he tried to lose the cops, the inevitable was eventually going to happen. As they tumbled to the ground, there was nowhere to run and they were caught red-handed. Follow Daily Mail for more.